हेलो पिपल नमस्ते म चाहिँ अहिले यो क्योटोको उजी सिटीमा घुम्नको लागि एकदम समय मिलाएर आइरहेको अवस्था Shoot center. Today's weather is very hot. I think the temperature is very high. I think today's temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius. As you know, Kyoto is one of my favorite city in the world. Oh, the roads are very beautiful. Oh, this is Union Post. Yeah. This is Japan Post Office. From this road is very Siu road, very new road. Oh, the ambulance is heading toward me. Oh, is it high depth? Oh no. OMG, today's weather is very hot. How? This is the GR train line. It's about Jusanji, you know. It's 0 o'clock. It's PM. It's about 1 PM in my watch now. Oh, it's red. I'm waiting for green signal. Oh, traffic light is. Oh, okay. This is green signal, and I am heading toward Keihan電車の駅まで今向かっているところです。So the boxing team, sports team, oh, this team is very famous. You know this Italian restaurant Caesarea, pachinko slot. Is the road closed? No. How? Is the road closed? Oh, really? Aruko. Oh, this area is construction area at this time. Oh, construction is going on. Oh, really? The big construction area. Oh, this is mad. Masugo muri. Aruko. Muko. Okay, I am. Let it go. Very clean water, clean river. Here, I almost dive in this river while I'm so young. You know, this is almost, it seems like Rapti River in Palubangdang, you know. Oh, this side, their train is ongoing in rail track. Okay, let it go. Keihandense over there. Is there Keihandense? I have no idea. Very beautiful mountains are there. Oh, this river so deep, you know. As you know, I very love this mountains area. Oh, Kuruan. Okay, let it go. Yesterday we were eat breakfast in this cafeteria. Okay, this shop. Where is Keihan? Then say I have no idea. This is very strange city for me, about me. I can say, okay, let it go. Okay, across this bridge. What's naming? I forgot. Okay, let it go. Taxi, Malaysia, truly Asia. Okay, let it go. This vehicle is almost construction. You know. Keihandense. Now I'm searching for Keihan train line. Okay. Oh, this is the rail. Keihandense Ujiki. Okay. Old taxi. Okay, let it go. This is almost autumn season in Japan. These leaves are very red, only red. Okay, let it go. This is Keihan railway station. Okay, let it go. Bye bye.